We heard that you missed us. And since I never want to cause any distress to the press on any level, we came back. Continued update, because the more information, the better. And I think the more we communicate with the people of the state, where they get actual facts as opposed to theories and hype and political spin, I think that's all better. We are continuing to test, and the testing is now ramping up, as we discussed earlier. So we have a greater capacity to test. We're turning around more tests. And during the day today, we had 11 new cases, 8 in Westchester, 3 in Nassau County. That brings the total to 44 cases. The cases in Westchester and Nassau, we have to do more investigation, but we suspect that they are related to the existing cases. The cases in Westchester have a number of young people, and they have older people. Westchester, there's a 12-year-old female, 17-year-old male, 45-year-old male, 55-year-old male, 14-year-old male, 7-year-old male, 51-year-old male, 82-year-old male. Nassau, 63-year-old female, 41-year-old female, 36-year-old female. This is actually good news in some ways, because it says the process is working. You get a case and you follow that case and you test that case because you want to find the people who were infected. You want to isolate those people so there's not continued spreading. That's what this is all about. It is not a perfect process, but the more people who you can tell you are positive and stop them from infecting other people, the better. So we'll continuing to do this. We'll continue to inform people who are positive to quarantine themselves so they don't infect other people, and that's how we will work to contain the virus. That nice noise suggests, we don't know what it suggests. So that's the update. One other announcement, one of the issues, one of the consequences to this, an economic consequence, is people are worried about traveling, not just to the countries on the CDC watch list, but just traveling in general, because they're afraid if they make plans, they may be canceled. If they buy an airline ticket, it may be canceled. Something may come up. That is constricting travel, constricting business travel. It's not good for New York. It's not good for any state because it can actually slow the economy. It's one thing to make a purposeful decision to stop a gathering. It's another thing to have people just canceling trips because they're afraid something may come up and then they'll be unable to redeem the airline ticket, et cetera. Department of Financial Services, Superintendent Linda Lacewell is going to announce a program where she is going to authorize travel insurance which you can purchase, which is unconditional. They have travel insurance programs, but they normally exempt epidemics, diseases, et cetera. She is going to authorize an unconditional travel insurance program. So if you buy this insurance, you cancel for any reason, including anything related to the coronavirus, you can get the full amount of your airline ticket back. And we think that will provide comfort and encourage people.